So this is the question, boys and girls. Will it actually work? Let's find out. So let's do it quickly. And then just screw the tight cap on. And stand back. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Abhinav and welcome to Abhinav Beats. So I'm here to do the unboxing of the Violent Volcano Horrible Signs, the kit. So it's gonna be really awesome. I got this as a gift. So this is the kit I got. So there's nice illustrations at the front and also at the back. So I'm gonna just get cracking on to unboxing. Right. So what's included in this box is we have a plastic volcano model, we have a bicarbonate of soda, some tartaric acid. These two are the chemicals inside the kit, and we have a goggles and some mini card stand-ups, and we have a horrible info leaflet and one scoop. So in the instructions we have a checklist called What I Need to Find, so we need to check that off. So I don't have a tray, but I will be using aluminium foil, so I'm just gonna tick that. Measuring jug, I have one. Warm water, we need warm water, I'm just gonna tick that off. Washing up liquid, tick that off. Vinegar, tick that off. Assistant, I have one assistant over there. There you go. So now soil, twigs and stones to create our landscape. So let me just quickly get that stuff ready. So what is not inside the box and what we require is a tray, measuring jug, washing up liquid, vinegar, soil, twigs, stones and adult assistants. So I've got my goggles on, and now let's get to exploding the volcano. So now I'm gonna do the landscape, so I'll be with you guys in about 3 minutes. So guys, I've done my landscape, and while doing this, make sure you wash your hands. You don't know what microscopic monsters there might be there. So what I did to make this landscape is I got some twigs, some stones and some garden soil. So our first step is to put 3 scoops of tartaric acid into the base of the volcano. It's gone a bit messy. Just gonna screw that back. There we go. So now what we need to do is mix 30 ml warm water with a few drops of washing up liquid. Yep. Now what we need to do is to take 130 ml. So this is a 60 ml cup. So there is a 130 ml of warm water. Now what we need to do is, 1 scoop of bicarbonate of soda, and then we need to go back. So this is the question, boys and girls. Will it actually work? Let's find out. So let's do it quickly. And then just screw the tight cap on and stand back.